If you're struggling to prevent family members from using weak passwords, you're not alone. It can be tough to get everyone on the same page when it comes to online security, but there are simple steps you can take to make sure everyone in your family is using strong, secure passwords. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to give you a quick and easy solution that'll make this process painless for everyone. The first step is to educate your family on why weak passwords are so dangerous. Weak passwords are easy to guess or crack, and they make your online accounts vulnerable to hackers. Let them know that strong passwords are the first line of defense against online threats. You can even give examples of real-world attacks that happened because of weak passwords. Next, make sure they understand the importance of not reusing passwords across multiple sites. If one account gets compromised, hackers will try those same passwords on other accounts, and suddenly your whole family's security is at risk. Encourage them to create unique passwords for each site they use. Now, let's talk about password managers. I know it sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not. A password manager is a simple tool that stores all of your passwords securely and generates strong, random passwords for you. You'll never have to remember or write down another password again. In the description below, I've linked to a free trial of the software I use to keep all of my passwords safe and secure. This is exclusive to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check it out if you want to follow along. Once you've got the software set up, make sure your family is using it too. It's important to get everyone involved and make sure they're adopting the new system. Explain to them how easy it is to use, and once they see how convenient it is, they'll be much more likely to stick with it. Another helpful tip is to enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Even the strongest password can be compromised, but with two-factor authentication, you're adding an extra layer of security that makes it much harder for hackers to gain access. Set up two-factor authentication on the most important accounts, like email, banking, and social media. Lastly, make sure you're periodically checking to see if your family's passwords have been compromised in any way. There are websites and services that allow you to check if any of your passwords have been leaked in a data breach. If you find any, encourage your family to update those passwords immediately. So, the key takeaway here is to educate your family about the dangers of weak passwords, use a password manager to generate and store strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and regularly check for any potential breaches. By following these steps, you'll keep your family's online accounts safe and secure. Before you go, remember to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below for the software we've been talking about. It'll make your password management a breeze. Thanks for watching.